Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Oh, that's hilarious. The idiot just got busted for running a red light. You ran the red light, Queenslander. Yeah, that's a negative, fucktard. You can't go across the bus lane to do that. What an idiot.
How did it go? Did you lay the smack down? Did you stop a mud hole? Did you walk it dry?
Fucking
Let's
idiot.
just say that a lot of money was...
We got something going on. We got Channel 10 News here. Who watches Channel 10 anymore? Transport Commander. Cop cars. Oh shit. Here's a good one. What a dickhead. So we've got a truck's run into a taken out a traffic light here. Kennard Tire. Got enough cop cars? Jesus, I think you need a tow truck, guys, not a...
Done this in a while, but boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
As far as Vince is concerned, how big is Batista's dick?
You idiot. No. What are you doing, idiot? What a moron. Absolute moron. Jesus Christ. And the guy's got the audacity to give me the finger. He tries to change lanes across an unbroken line where there's a merge point and two cars are merging and he tries to come from an outside lane. What an idiot. And then gives me the finger. We've got ourselves an arse hat, nugget, testicle, 9-6 oboe. What are you doing, idiot? What a moron.
Like, okay, there's been a change of plan. We're staying at this other hotel. So we go to the other hotel. I'm like, why the fuck are we changing hotels, man?
Oh, what's going on up here? Hello? What are we doing, people? 5 idiots in a row and no one notices this idiot in this goddamn four-wheel drive is just sitting there. Christ. Oh, I think we could all pretty much guess what that clown was doing. Get off the goddamn phone while you're driving, you idiots. Negative, son. We're not changing anything. Fucking retards. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a fucking moron. Did we get a headlight flash on this? And now we're tailgating. What a fucking idiot. Dipshit. It's another one for YouTube.
Great body, you know, All-American football player from South Carolina. Good guy. He battled some...
I'm the wanker in that motorcycle. Waits all the way to the end to decide to jump the divider. I mean, what a clown. I mean, the guy could have just gotten into the other lanes and lane filtered his way through.
Podcast to focus on one match and then watch along with a wrestler or personality from the match. New episodes drop every Monday morning.
What the fuck is this goddamn Mitsubishi doing? Dude, I have no idea if this guy's... What are you people doing? Oh, for fuck's sake. Nope, we got some rage going on here. It's good stuff. I was wondering what the hell was going on. Oh, here we go. Alright. Come on, someone get into a punch up. Mate, I think he was tailgating you because you were driving like a dick. Well, come on, do something. No, we're just going to sit there, are we? So we've got oh yeah, we got the jerk off. Oh, he's going to cut him off. Hey, you didn't have an indicator on then. Well. What a dickhead.
Cornette and Kevin Dunn had words in the meeting, and I had to help Cornette get back to his room. He became my guy. That's Bruce sometimes. How come he's my guy now? You know him as long as I have.
You idiot.
He's my guy.
Yes.
And then the travel. And look, when you're flying those places too, Conrad, remember this. This is not suit guys like me and you real well.
You're not going right, dickhead. You're going straight.
Not cool, brother. Not cool.
Hey, let me guess. Is this fight or this situation?
Of course she's blonde.
That's Bruce a little. Because I used to just give you little nudges in a live show and bam, it would hit. It was good times. Good times. Tim wants to know, in a previous hashtag love to know, Bruce was trying to think of a good Hulk Hogan story and didn't give one. Can you think of two good Hogan stories now?
Look at that complete whack job with that white Ute trailer that just went from the left lane 3 lanes over and then cut back over the divider to exit, almost fucking having an accident. Oh. Ah, look at that little wanker.
Same year I was born.
Yeah, no, that's not okay, you dick. What are you waiting for? Go! What the fuck is this idiot doing? No, get the fuck out of there. Get back up there. Idiot. No, you don't do that. Stupid dumb bitch in a polo who decides she wants to go left instead of right, decides she's going to try and reverse up and go across a bus lane and a divider to get to a slip road. Negative. Negative. Fuck me. Jesus Christ, almighties. Fucking idiot. Man of a side street like that.
Knock the bottom out of it, son. You and your partner will love it, so chew it and do it. Here's a great deal for you. I can't
Holy
believe it.
fuck. Did you see that shit? Wow. That tabletop truck just went straight from a right turn lane, but not only that. This is the tunnel. Oh god, I've got a truck in front of me that was on the news the other day where the dumb shit... Oh yeah, look, here's the damage. A truck came around this corner, rolled and smashed right into there. So you can see all this damage here. They've had to scrape all the road up here and all the damage.